This year our school NHS entered the Evolocity competition where they had to make an electric vehicle, either a bike or a multi-wheel vehicle that runs off 24-volt batteries. This competition gave our students an opportunity to learn how to use electric motors to create personal transport and to get an understanding in electronics and engineering. On race day, they entered into a drag race, obstacle course, economy run and rolling resistance test. They did really well but had some problems with the motor controller and throttle system. Hopefully Maringi and my project can help solve these problems and get the bike running even more economically with the regenerative braking system. When the throttle comes off suddenly, the motor locks up, which could throw the driver off over the handlebars or break the bike chains. With the new code and wiring, the motor now coasts when the throttle is off. We made this current to test if the motor, when it's coasting to stop, can charge the capacitors, that thing right there. The relay switches between giving power to the motor so it can work and charging up the capacitors. To get the pickaxe, that little thing right there, to switch the relay on, we had to use a resistor, that little thing, to amplify the current. When the motor is in drive mode, the capacitors seem to charge up, but when the motor is in coast mode, the capacitors seem to discharge the energy into the motor. What we wanted it to do was the complete opposite of what it does, because we wanted the capacitors to discharge the energy in drive mode and charge in coast mode.